In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Bankwest app customer support through various methods: phone, chat, and email. Whether you have a question about your account, need assistance with the app, or want to resolve an issue, reaching out to customer support can sometimes feel daunting, but don't worry. I'll be walking you through each step to make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to the Bankwest website. Simply open up your favorite web browser and type in bankwest.com.au in the address bar. Once the page has loaded, you'll be greeted with their homepage. From here, look towards the top right corner of the page. You will notice a menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger icon. Clicking this icon will open up the menu options for you. Now that the menu is open, your next step is to navigate to the support section. Here you're looking for a link that says Get in Touch. This option will guide you to the various ways you can contact Bankwest for customer support. Whether you prefer talking to someone directly, sending an email, or using postal mail, this section will provide all the necessary details. Once you've clicked on Get in Touch, you will be presented with several contact methods. If you wish to speak to someone by phone and you're located in Australia, dial 1-17-19. If you're calling from overseas, use the international number, which is +61 8 9449 2840. It's always helpful to have your account details ready when making a call, as this will help the customer service representative assist you more efficiently. For those with questions about home loans, there's also an option to request a callback. This feature is particularly useful if you're busy and can't wait on hold. Bankwest will call you back at a time that's more convenient for you. If you prefer to send a written message, you can use bank mail. To do this, you'll need to log into your account and navigate to the message center. From there, you can send a message directly to Bankwest through bank mail. It's a great way to document your conversation and ensure you have a record of your query and the response you receive. Finally, if you need to send something via postal mail, you can address it to P.O. Box E237 Perth WA 6841. This method may take longer, but it's useful for sending documents or when a written letter is preferred. And there you have it, multiple ways to ensure your questions and issues are addressed by Bankwest customer support. Choose the method that best suits your needs, and you'll be connected to their support team in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your life a little bit easier when dealing with the Bankwest app.